Hi, it's Lisa, and in this video I want to show you what you may need to do if you're having trouble importing the Excel file into the project file for the midterm. So I just have been visiting with Asia, and the issue that Asia had was she was using a Bellevue College computer and she'd done everything right and it still would not import the Excel file. One part of the issue that I set you up for, this was intentional, is I purposely gave you a legacy file, and that's very real world, right? We're often given legacy files from coworkers, and we need to import that into a current version of project. So your first job was to upgrade the file from the legacy format, and you can see here's the legacy file. It's got that XLS extension. You were to upgrade it to the current version, and you can see the current version is XLSX. Well, she did all of that and she still had an error message, and I'll show you. This is an example of what the error message looked like. So if this is you, if this has happened to you, what you can do is simply copy and paste the Excel data into the project file. So I want to run through that. So I'm going to go and pull up a blank project file. And then I'm going to go back to the Excel spreadsheet and open it. And what you'll need to do is copy each of these columns and paste them in. So there are actually two Excel spreadsheets. Sheet 1 has the task information, and Sheet 2 has the resource information. So let me start with Sheet 1. I'll copy the tasks, not the heading obviously, but just these tasks. So I'm going to right-click, copy, and I'll go over to Project and paste them in the appropriate column, in this case the task name column. Then I'll go back to Excel and copy the resources, except not the heading. And I'll go to Project, and of course these go in the resource names. And of course make sure when you copy that everything lines up correctly. Use the screenshot as your guide. Okay, now I need to copy from Sheet 2. Sheet 2 is the resource information, and in Project that corresponds to the resource sheet view. So I'm going to right-click right here where it says Gantt chart to get that menu and go to Resource Sheet View. And you can see there are actually some resources in there already, and that's because I'd already pasted them in. So Project thought I wanted them, but it actually doesn't have all of them. So I'm going to just delete so it's all cleared out. And then I'll go back and copy the resources here. Come back here and paste. Okay. And then I need to copy the rates. So the rates are here. We just don't have one for catering because it's a cost resource. And then I'll go back over here and I'll just click here in the first cell of standard rate. This is standard rate and overtime rate. And I'll paste, and the rates come in perfectly here. All right, so now I'm ready to go. I just need to switch back to the Gantt chart view. It'd be a really good idea to stop and save the file at this moment, and then start to make this Gantt chart area look just like the screenshot, which of course involves things like making sure the task mode is an auto schedule mode, entering the durations so they match the screenshot, and other items as well. So at this point, you're ready to go, and you want to hook back up with the instructions and just continue on through the instructions. If you have any issues, just go ahead and post or send me a message via Canvas inbox. All right, thanks a lot.